Hello, and a very warm welcome back to Slow English with Mr. Murrow. I am so happy you are here to listen and learn with me today. Today, I have a story for you. This story is for anyone who is afraid of making mistakes. When we learn English, or when we do anything new, we want to be perfect. A mistake can feel like a failure. It can feel like a dark mark on a clean white page. We feel embarrassed, and sometimes we want to hide our work. We want to hide ourselves. But what if mistakes were not failures? What if our imperfections were the most beautiful part of our story? This is a story about a young boy, two simple water pots, and a surprising journey. I hope it helps you see your own journey in a new, more beautiful light. As always, your only job is to relax. Listen to the story. Let the words paint a picture in your mind. Are you ready? Let us begin. In a small village in India, a young boy had a job. Every morning, he walked a long path to the river. He carried a long wooden pole across his shoulders. On each end of the pole, there was a large clay pot for water. One of the pots was perfect. It was strong and smooth, and it never lost a drop of water. The other pot was not perfect. It had a small crack in its side. Every day, the boy filled both pots with water at the river. Then he walked the long path back to his home. And every day, the cracked pot leaked. When the boy arrived home, the perfect pot was always full, but the cracked pot was only half full. This went on for 2 years. The perfect pot was very proud. It thought, "I do a perfect job. I am a success." But the cracked pot was very ashamed. It felt like a failure. It saw the perfect pot and it felt sad. The crack was its biggest shame. One day at the river, the cracked pot decided to speak. "I am sorry," the cracked pot whispered to the boy. The boy was surprised. "Sorry for what?" he asked. "For 2 years," the pot said, "I have only given you half a pot of water. Because of this crack in my side, water leaks out all the way back to your home. You do all of this work, and because of me, you do not get the full reward. I am a failure." The boy listened with a kind heart. He felt sorry for the sad little pot. He smiled and said gently, "When we walk back home today, I want you to look very closely at the path." So as they walked back, the cracked pot looked at the path. For the first time, it saw something beautiful. On one side of the path, there was only dry dirt, but on its side of the path, there were beautiful wildflowers. There were bright pink, yellow, and purple flowers growing all along the trail. The sun was shining on them, the bees were buzzing around them. The cracked pot did not understand. Why were there flowers only on its side of the path? When they arrived home, the boy said, "Did you see the flowers on your side of the path? Did you see that there were no flowers on the perfect pot side?" The pot nodded, still confused. The boy continued, "I have always known about your crack," he said. "I saw it as an opportunity, so I planted flower seeds on your side of the path. And every day as we walk back from the river, you have been watering them." He smiled. "Because of you, our path is beautiful. Because of you, I can pick these flowers and make our home beautiful. Without your crack, there would be no beauty on this path." The cracked pot was silent. It looked at its crack, the thing it was so ashamed of. It was not a mistake. It was not a failure. It was the reason for all the beauty. And so, The cracked pot finally understood. Its imperfection was its greatest strength. This story is a beautiful lesson for all of us on our English journey. We are all like that cracked pot. We all have imperfections. Maybe your imperfection is a strong accent. Maybe it is your slow speaking speed. Maybe you make a lot of grammar mistakes. It is so easy to feel ashamed of these cracks. We look at other people who seem so perfect, and we feel like a failure. But please remember this story. Your accent is not a mistake. It tells the beautiful story of where you are from. Your slow speed is not a failure. It shows that you are thinking carefully and choosing your words with respect. Your grammar mistakes are not ugly. They are the seeds of your learning journey. Do not be ashamed of your cracks. They are what make you unique. They are what make your story beautiful. So, I have a question for you. Please write your answer in the comments below. What is one crack in your English that you can learn to love? Maybe it is your accent. Maybe it is that you are shy. Tell me one thing that makes you unique on your English journey. If this story was helpful for you, please give this video a like. It helps our story reach other people who might need to hear it. And please subscribe to Slow English with Mr. Murrow to continue this beautiful journey with us. Thank you for your time today. Remember to love your imperfections. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.